This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so removal goes clean. Backup important data and confirm your My Account password. Enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging. This gives you direct control. On the PC, install ADB drivers and tools, connect the Redmi with a USB cable, and accept the RSA prompt on the phone. Once done, verify the device shows in a DB devices. These steps let you take action immediately without guessing or risking account locks. Next, try the simple path. Open Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps, find the IT Admin app and deactivate it, then uninstall normally. If the toggle is disabled, use a DB. First, identify the admin component with a DB shell dumpsies device policy or PM list packages. Then run a DB shell dpm remove active admin package /receiver to revoke admin rights. If that still fails, remove the package for the current user with a DB shell pm uninstall. Finally, reboot the Redmi and check settings to confirm the admin entry is gone, then reinstall or restore apps as needed. If the admin cannot be removed and blocks core functions, backup data and perform a factory reset from recovery to clear device owner restrictions. Should the phone remain locked to policies after reset, use Fastboot to flash stock firmware or contact My Support for an unlock path. One troubleshooting tip: if ADB commands fail, toggle USB debugging off/on and reauthorize the PC before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.